गोंय सरकाराक टॅक्सींक डिजिटल मिटर, GPS आणि पॅनिक बटन सक्ती करूंक जमना जाल्ल्यान ट्रॅव्हल अँड टुरिझम असोसिएशनान हायकोर्टात सरकाराक टॅक्सींनी ह्यो गजाली बसोवंक निर्देश दिवचे म्हूण याचिका घाल्या.
We had filed the petition for implementation of the notification by which meters are required to be installed. They were required to be installed last year, but the government kept on postponing the date of installment. So therefore we filed the petition, the Travel and Tourism Association of Goa, to direct the government to implement it.
कितलो तेंपूच जालो हो विशय हुमकळटा. नोव्हेंबर सोंपता मेरेन आनीक लांबोवंक कांयच अर्थ ना म्हूण हायकोर्टान स्पश्ट केले. टॅक्सी मिटरां विशीं ऑर्डर बुधवाराच काडची म्हूण सरकाराक निर्देश दिल्यात. सरकाराक फक्त 48 वरांचो प्राझ दिला.
Today, the learned AG made a statement that the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa has in fact made an administrative decision to implement these particular rules, but they will require some time for the purpose of working out the modalities. The Honorable High Court felt that the matter was hanging fire for long and therefore ordered it to place on record an order of the government. The court said that we'll just not look into the administrative orders passed by the Honorable Chief Minister. So now the matter has been adjourned for Wednesday, that is day after, for formally placing on record an order passed by the government of Goa vis-a-vis the taxi meters.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.